Welcome to this comprehensive analysis and summary of Samuel Beckett's renowned play, Waiting for Godot. This iconic work, first performed in 1953, has since captivated audiences with its thought-provoking narrative and deep philosophical underpinnings. The story revolves around two main characters, Estragon and Vladimir, who wait endlessly for the arrival of a mysterious figure named Godot. As they wait, they engage in a series of dialogues, encounters with other characters like Pozzo and Lucky, and engage in mundane activities to pass the time. Throughout their interactions, existential questions about the purpose of life, the nature of existence, and the human condition are explored. The play's setting, a desolate landscape with a lone tree, symbolizes the barrenness and futility of the character's existence. Beckett uses repetitive circular dialogue and situations to emphasize the monotony and meaninglessness of life. The lack of a linear plot and the cyclical nature of events contribute to the play's absurdist theme, highlighting the human struggle to find significance in an indifferent universe. Estragon and Vladimir's dynamic relationship serves as the focal point, showcasing themes of dependency, friendship, and the need for companionship amidst adversity. Their banter, humor, and moments of vulnerability create a poignant portrayal of the human experience. Pozzo and Lucky, contrasting characters, add another layer to the play's exploration of power dynamics, servitude, and the degradation of humanity. Their arrival and departure punctuate the waiting, prompting reflection on the fleeting nature of connections in life. The elusive Godot, who never arrives, remains a symbol of hope and an enigmatic figure representing unattainable salvation or meaning. The play's ambiguous ending leaves audiences pondering its deeper implications and interpretations. Waiting for Godot challenges conventional theatrical norms, inviting introspection and philosophical contemplation. Its enduring relevance lies in its ability to provoke discussions about the human condition, the passage of time, and the search for purpose in an uncertain world. There are four characters in this play: Vladimir, Estragon, Pozzo, and Lucky. Estragon, aka Gogo. Estragon, portrayed as weary and disheveled, represents the vulnerable and more emotional side of the duo. His struggles with memory and physical discomfort reflect the human condition's fragility. Often more pessimistic, he embodies a sense of resignation towards their predicament. Vladimir, aka Didi. Vladimir is more pragmatic, attempting to maintain order and purpose within their futile situation. His more rational outlook contrasts with Estragon's emotional responses. Vladimir also acts as a caretaker of sorts for Estragon, highlighting themes of dependency and camaraderie. Pozzo. Pozzo, initially depicted as a dominating and affluent figure, symbolizes power and control. His eventual decline into blindness and dependency subverts this power dynamic, showcasing the transient nature of authority and the vulnerability inherent in humanity. Lucky. Lucky, Pozzo's subservient companion, carries symbolism of servitude and oppression. His lengthy, nonsensical monologue is a poignant moment that questions the nature of communication, knowledge, and the futility of existence. Let's examine the plot, structure, and symbols. Plot. The play lacks a traditional plot structure, presenting a cyclical sequence of events. The waiting for Godot remains constant, creating a repetitive cycle that underscores the character's futile existence. Structure. Beckett employs circular and repetitive dialogue, reflecting the cyclical nature of life. Each day begins and ends similarly, accentuating the monotony and absurdity of their situation. Symbols. The tree stands as a solitary symbol of life's endurance amid desolation. Godot's absence and the character's unrelenting wait represent the human pursuit of meaning and the perpetual search for purpose. Author's message and criticism. Existential themes. Beckett explores existentialism, emphasizing the struggle to find significance in an indifferent world. He challenges conventional notions of meaning, prompting reflection on the absurdity of existence. Criticism. Some critics debate whether the play is overly pessimistic, lacking a clear resolution or definitive meaning. However, others view its ambiguity as its strength, inviting diverse interpretations and discussions about the human condition. Waiting for Godot remains a polarizing yet influential work that defies categorization. Its enigmatic nature and open-endedness invite audiences to contemplate the complexities of life, the uncertainty of existence, and the relentless pursuit of purpose. Further discussion on themes: absurdity and repetition. Beckett employs repetition to emphasize the cyclical nature of human existence. The characters' repetitive actions and conversations mirror life's routine, highlighting its absurdity and the futile attempt to find meaning in a world devoid of significance. The theatre of the absurd. Waiting for Godot is a quintessential example of theatre of the absurd, a dramatic movement that challenges traditional storytelling conventions. Beckett's deliberate use of illogical scenarios and fragmented dialogue defies rational interpretation, encouraging audiences to engage with the play on a visceral rather than logical level. Time and waiting. The concept of time plays a significant role in the play. Waiting for Godot becomes a metaphor for the human experience of waiting for a higher power or purpose. The character's perpetual waiting underscores the uncertainty and frustration inherent in the passage of time. Deeper character insights. Estragon and Vladimir's relationship. Their relationship, often likened to a married couple or two parts of the same person, is a microcosm of human relationships. They rely on each other for companionship, support, and understanding, symbolizing the human need for connection in the face of adversity. Pozzo and Lucky's interactions. The interactions between Pozzo and Lucky reveal the shifting power dynamics. Initially, Pozzo dominates Lucky, but as Pozzo loses control, their roles reverse, underscoring the transient nature of power and the vulnerability of human existence. Critical reception and interpretations. Philosophical exploration. Critics often view Waiting for Godot as a philosophical exploration rather than a traditional narrative. The play's open-endedness and abstract nature invite diverse interpretations, encouraging audiences to find personal meaning amidst the ambiguity. Influence on theatre. Beckett's masterpiece revolutionized theatre by challenging audience expectations. Its impact on avant-garde theatre and its influence on subsequent playwrights solidify its place as a seminal work in the theatrical canon. Historical context. Set against the backdrop of post-World War II existentialism, the play reflects the disillusionment and uncertainty prevalent in society during that era. Its themes resonate with the existential angst felt by many in a world recovering from the devastations of war.